Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we are going to fix slow performance issue after update. So whenever you try to update your computer and by, any chance if you have updated and your computer starts, working very slow, lags, hangs, showing you not responding and everything, this tutorial is for you. You just need to do 3 simple steps to fix this problem and your computer will be just like a brand new computer. So the very first step here, to click on the search icon and type file, and you will find the best match file explorer. And here we have to go to this PC at the left hand side, and I'll click on that, and then you will find Windows C. So I'll just do a double click on that, and here we have this Windows folder like this. You just need to double click, and here we are looking for software distribution. Now this is the location where all the updates are getting installed. So once it is installed in your computer, you no longer need those files. So you can simply press Ctrl A and you can press Shift Delete and you can delete permanently all these things. Once you do that, some of the files may not get deleted, so you just need to do a check mark and you can skip it. Once this is done, close this window, and here just do a right click in the start icon and then click on run. And here we type services. Once you have typed it, click on OK. A new window will appear like this, and here we are looking for background intelligence service. You just need to look at the top, you will find it, and you just need to do a right click on that. Just do a right click on that, go to properties, and from here make it manual, or you can disable it. Once you do that, just click on apply and OK. This background intelligence service is no longer required if you're using Windows 10 and Windows 11, and your computer will work absolutely fine, because the day I bought this laptop I have disabled these services and my computer is running absolutely awesome. So you can also do that. Once this is done, close this window and just do a right click in the start icon and then go to Task Manager. Here in the Task Manager, we need to go to this Startup tab where you have, this is a Windows 11, so you might find something different, but here you will find Startup menu. You just need to click on that and disable all unwanted applications like any other application. Please make sure that you do not disable security, audio, or antivirus program, or graphics. Alright, unnecessary applications, you can disable it. So once you can see here, I have very few services enabled, which is very important. So let's say if I do not want Skype, Cortana, or any other application, you just need to do a right click and you can disable it. Since it is already disabled, it's asking me to enable it. Once this is done, there is one more last step which you need to do, is to click on the search icon and type CMD and then run as administrator, and it will ask you to say yes, and here you need to type sfc /scan now. Now this is a system file checker Microsoft tool, and once you hit enter, it will begin the system scan, and this will fix if there is a bug, if there is a glitch in the computer and slow performance issue in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. This will fix the problem as well. Once this verification and scan is completed, you need to restart the computer, and please let me know how's the performance of your computer after doing all these steps. I would highly appreciate if you do that, because these things really motivates me, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Please leave a comment. Take care.